We are with a player of Italian Soccer School AIC. How old are you? What's your name? Where are you from and your position on the pitch?
My name is Joe Matani. I'm from Auckland, New Zealand. I'm 16 years old and I'm a central midfielder.
Okay, thanks Joy. Can you describe your training program with the Italian Soccer School AIC here in Italy?
Well, we train every weekday. It was a really intense program, focusing a lot on technical ability under pressure, also improving physical aspects and also learning tactical concepts of football.
What do you think about your improvement? So, do you think you learned a lot?
Yes.
What specifically?
I learned many concepts of football, to play under pressure, to play at a high intensity and to train at a high intensity, and also improving physical aspect of football. I learned to do everything under pressure and not to train at an easy level, and so those are the main things that I learned in this program.
Do you think that the specific training about your position, everyday individual training, give you a great knowledge of your tools
Yes,
during the games?
Absolutely. I learned very specific things because I'm a central midfielder, but I learned to adapt to the modern football because it's important to be able to play all over the park as a central midfielder. I learned many tactical concepts in different formations, in different types of games, in different types of pressing, and I learned those things specifically for a central midfielder because I trained every day for these specific things.
The Italian Soccer School AIC have given you opportunity to try with a professional club?
Yeah, I had one day at Perugia. Yeah, I was injured, so I was supposed to go to Bologna, and hopefully I can go again sometime later.
Can you recommend this program to other players interested to improve the skills?
Absolutely. The coaching here is the best coaching that you can receive because they really care about the player and you learn specific things for whichever position you are, whether you're a goalkeeper, midfielder, striker, defender, it doesn't matter because the coaches are very knowledgeable, and if you want to improve and also learn Italian and have a new experience about football, then this is the best program. Io consiglio questo programma per tutti i giocatori giovani.